This is the Force USA G12 all-in-one trainer, and on paper, it promises to replace an entire commercial gym with one machine in your garage. Power rack, Smith machine, functional trainer, leg press, the whole deal. Sounds amazing, right? But after digging into expert breakdowns and real-world feedback, I realized there are a few things Force USA doesn't exactly shout from the rooftops. Force USA G12 all-in product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The Force USA G12 all-in-one trainer is a premium, full-scale home gym system aimed at serious lifters, athletes, and anyone who wants commercial-grade training at home. Released as part of Force USA's flagship lineup, the G12 combines 7 machines in one footprint: a power rack, counterbalance Smith machine, functional trainer with dual weight stacks, leg press, lat pull-down, low row, and chin-up station. This is not a compact fitness corner solution. It's built for dedicated home gyms, personal trainers, and enthusiasts who want maximum versatility without bouncing between machines or gyms. Force USA G12 all-in performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to train on? This is where the G12 really earns its reputation. The smoothness is the first thing people notice. The Smith machine is counterbalanced, meaning the bar doesn't feel like it's fighting you on lighter movements. Whether you're warming up with high-rep squats or grinding through heavy presses, the motion feels controlled and stable. The functional trainer is another standout. With dual weight stacks and a smooth pulley ratio, cable movements feel fluid and consistent. From chest flies to face pulls to single-arm rows, the resistance feels predictable, not jerky, which matters a lot for joint health over time. In day-to-day use, what really shines is how fast you can transition between exercises. Squats to cable rows to leg press, no problem. There's very little setup friction once you learn the system. That said, this thing rewards people who already know how to train. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that actually matter. First up, the all-in-one design. This machine replaces an entire lineup of gym equipment. The benefit? You're not compromising your training just because you work out at home. You can run powerlifting cycles, hypertrophy splits, or athletic training without needing extra machines. Second, the counterbalance Smith machine. This is huge. A lot of Smith machines feel awkward and restrictive. Here, the counterbalance makes lighter movements like rehab work or accessory lifts feel natural, while still giving you safety stops for heavy sets when training alone. Third, the dual weight stack functional trainer. This is where versatility explodes. Supersets, unilateral work, rehab movements, and constant tension exercises are right there. For people who care about joint-friendly training, this is a game changer. Finally, modular attachments and expandability. The G12 supports tons of add-ons, landmine, belts, different handles, so the machine can evolve as your training evolves, instead of becoming obsolete. Design and build. Aesthetically and structurally, this thing is a tank in a good way. The G12 uses heavy-gauge steel, and it feels every bit like commercial gym equipment. There's no flex, no rattling, and no sketchy moments under load. The powder-coated finish looks clean and professional, though yes, you'll notice chalk and fingerprints if you're picky. Ergonomically, everything is well thought out. J-hooks, safeties, and adjustment points feel solid and intuitive once you're familiar with them. The trade-off is size. This machine demands space, both floor area and ceiling height, so garage and basement owners need to measure carefully. Pros: exceptionally smooth cables and Smith machine. Built like a tank with long-term durability in mind. Ideal for serious lifters, athletes, and trainers. Cons: large footprint and height requirements. Overkill for casual or beginner-only users. Final verdict. So who is this actually for, and is it worth your hard-earned cash? Look, if you're a serious lifter, a home gym perfectionist, or a personal trainer who wants one machine that does everything, the Force USA G12 is honestly a no-brainer. It's one of the most complete and refined all-in-one trainers on the market, and it delivers a training experience that's shockingly close to a commercial gym. But if you're newer to lifting, short on space, or only training a few times a week, this might be more machine than you need. In that case, a simpler rack plus a functional trainer might make more sense.